Hello everyone, my name is Irina Kabak and I am a makeup artist and a skincare therapist. You are on my channel, thank you for visiting me. Today we will be discussing some ways to shorten your makeup routine. Those makeup shortcuts I figured out throughout the years, so I got them all together for you to make your makeup routine much easier. Alright guys, so if you are interested in this topic, please stay with me. I will be actually giving you a tutorial on each and every makeup shortcut that I will be talking about. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, please like this video, please comment if you want to know more. Let's continue watching.